In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft Teams from starting automatically every time you boot up your Windows computer. Now, if you're like many users who prefer a tidier startup sequence, having fewer applications opening upon booting up can help speed things along and improve your computer's performance. Let's dive into several ways you can adjust your settings to prevent Microsoft Teams from automatically launching at startup. First, let's begin with tweaking the settings within Microsoft Teams itself. So, go ahead and launch the Microsoft Teams application. Once it's open, look towards the top right corner of the window and click on the three horizontal dots. This will open up a menu. From this menu, choose Settings. You'll be redirected to a new window featuring multiple categories. You'll want to select the General tab here. Within the General tab, look for the Application section. Underneath it, you'll notice some checkboxes. You need to uncheck the box that says Auto Start Teams. If you wish, you can also uncheck Open Application in background for further efficiency. Once you've unchecked these options, you can close the application. Going forward, Teams will no longer boot up automatically when you start your system. Now, let's take a look at the second method using Windows settings. Begin by pressing the Windows key together with the letter I on your keyboard. This combination will open up the Windows settings menu. Navigate to Apps and then select Startup within the list you see. Here, you will notice a list of applications that are set to start when your computer boots up. Find Microsoft Teams in this list and toggle it to Off. This action will prevent Microsoft Teams from launching each time you initiate a startup, ensuring your system starts up faster. Finally, for more tech-savvy individuals who prefer even more control, we'll explore how to do this through the Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key on your keyboard to bring up the Task Manager. In the Task Manager, navigate to the Startup tab. Here, you'll see a list of programs set to run at startup, similarly to what we saw in the Windows settings. Locate Microsoft Teams, then right-click on it and select Disable. This step effectively stops Teams from automatically starting when your system comes to life, providing you with a cleaner slate upon logging in. Once you've made these changes, you can go ahead and close the Task Manager, and there you have it. 3 straightforward methods to keep Microsoft Teams from launching automatically at startup, each offering its unique pathway to a smooth, clutter-free boot experience. Adjusting your startup settings not only enhances your system's performance, but also gives you control over what opens when you log in. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps bring a bit more efficiency to your digital workspace.